came home and I playing a lot, and the tiger came. A tiger.
Where was the tiger?
He's in the back.
He was in the back.
Yeah.
Did you get scared?
Yeah.
Huh?
And mommy came.
And mommy came.
Mommy tied the tiger in the stickers, in my stickers, And then the tiger go away, and he's running a lot, and the tiger fall down, and he's have a boo boo.
He had a boo boo.
Nobody came and make you feel better.
Nobody made him feel better.
No, tiger. Tiger can't go in his home.
He used to go to his house.
And the puppy. And the tiger, he can't walk. And he eat the puppy and go away.
Oh, wow.
And I cut my little knife and get the puppy out in the tiger's belly.
Oh, you cut the belly and take the puppy out? So you saved the puppy? So you are a wonder pet. Wonder pet, wonder pet. Save a friend and save the day. Help a friend.
Wonder pet, run now, back to help us stand and save the day. We're not too big, not too run together, we got the right. Oh, wonder pet, yay! What is this? You're taking a picture of me?